Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching the Forex trading with Rakesh. Today is 9th of May 2024. The day is Thursday. I'm the Dukas Copy trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. In the next 15 to 20 minutes, we will be checking out the key levels for all the instruments that we are going to see. And for the purpose, we'll be doing the research or analysis on the candlestick charts. And please consider this from my side that I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. So whatever I'm going to tell, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy. I'm an independent analyst, and therefore these all opinions or trading ideas that I'm going to share here, they are of my own, but these are not trading advices. They're only for information or knowledge for you, or you can take it as an entertainment also, but do not trade based on this in the real life account. If you want, you can demo it and understand the concepts that I'm trying to teach here. They're very simple concepts. Nothing is very difficult. Very easy to understand concepts. Okay. Now at the end of the session, I will definitely be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat box. I'll try to answer them at the end. And before I start this live stream, I must take you through the risk disclaimer, because we are going to talk about the foreign exchange, and there is certain risk that is associated if you want to trade the foreign exchange. So please read through the lines, read these 4 paragraphs and understand the risk completely before you move on to the charts. Right now on your screen, this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. What is this? This is Fibonacci. Okay. Those who are new, they can go and watch the previous 2 webinars, and you will have an understanding that from this fall, we have been calling out for this 105.60 level. I think from the last 3 days, 1 2 3 4 days. Okay, from Monday onwards, I think we are talking about this level to be tested. Today we saw that level, and boom, what is the high that the price made? 105.618. Very close, very close. Okay, I'm not trying to boast around here, but yes, when you have your levels in place, it becomes very easy to trade. That's why I'm saying that keep the key levels on your charts and then trade accordingly. So we are selling the US dollar now, and our first objective is 103.62 on the downside. Where is the resistance? The resistance is 106.35. That means if we are selling here now on the daily basis, our stop loss should be higher than 106.35, because we are going to buy this market only and only above 106.35. So you have to understand that the dollar is now in a sell mode. All right. With that said, where is the support now? 103.62, which is also our primary objective. Where is the resistance? 106.35. Now, what is happening in the pound? What is happening in the pound? The pound was making higher highs and higher lows. Only today it made a lower low than this one here, 1.2465. Although I was bullish on this one, but just today I have become bearish because it broke a crucial support area. So every rise I should be looking for a sell off in this market, and this objective may not be tested now, 1.2634. So I'm looking for the lower prices in this one for some time, at least for the time being, when it breaks through this rising channel. Which rising channel? Sorry, which falling channel? The falling channel, I wanted to say this one. When the price breaks higher from this, I may be looking for the buying opportunity, but right now I will be looking for the selling opportunity only. Why? Because it broke a crucial support area. So any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity until the price breaks above 1.2634 or breaks above from this falling channel on the daily. All right, so let's see how the things unfold in this one, guys. Now, talking about the euro, something similar happened in the euro, but euro, the daily low was not broken. Euro is very strong. 1.0799 is where it is trading. It has met at least 50% retracement from this rise and is going very nice now. I'm expecting a rise in this one towards 1.0885. Now, somebody who is trying to trade the cross of euro and pound, he can long euro GBP. Okay, he can look for going long in the euro GBP as per my understanding goes. Any fall towards 1.071 area may find a good support here, and now first target of 1.0885 seems very close, but the price has to only break from this falling channel. Talking about the Australian dollar, very bullish here. 0.6612 is where the price is trading right now. I'm expecting 0.6644 today. I'm expecting it today. I'm expecting the price to reach this level today. If not today, then tomorrow. That will be the final distribution for this week. All right, the price traded higher, went lower, tested 50%, boom. So I'm expecting at least 0.6644 this week. Let's see how the things unfold. Now the support for this price is still 0.6465 based on the previous low that the price has made. Now the price was making lower high and low here. If the price breaks higher than this resistance area of 0.6651, then the next level is 0.6668, which is also the ultimate objective in this one, and I'm expecting that to be seen today or maybe tomorrow. New Zealand dollar on the similar lines of the other currency, but see, it did not even retrace back towards 50%. It only retraced to 38% and then is trying to go higher. That means which is weaker? Australian dollar is weaker than the New Zealand dollar. Yeah. So, but yes, okay, if the price is able to close today, which I'm expecting it to do, above 0.6015, then the level of 0.6083 will be exposed in the New Zealand dollar. That's it, guys. Everything is a buy, and USD CHF finally a selling opportunity at the confluence of the resistances. Finally, at the confluence of the resistance. What is resistance? 38.2% retracement, this rising channel, and this previous lows. So yes, a lot of selling opportunities here. 0.9063 is where the price is trading right now. 0.9088 was the level where the 38.2% retracement was. The first objective can be 0.9005 on this one. If it breaks and close below this, then the second objective of 0.8838 will be exposed in this market. So kindly note, this can be your trade of the month. USD CAD on the similar lines failed to close higher than this rising channel, so boom, came back. So yes, 1.3632 is expected to give some support. If it fails, I am expecting it to break below this rising channel, and after that we will have lower levels of 1.3420, and this low here will be exposed. But right now, if you ask me, then the support is 1.3632, the resistance is around 1.3785. USD JPY has not reached even the 50% retracement, so I'm expecting a rise towards 156.03 first, or maybe even to 157.01. Had the price reached 156.03 or 157.01 today, I would have already shorted this pair, but it did not happen, so I'm not so confident in selling the USD JPY right now, although I'm expecting the price to deliver to the downside very fast. See, this channel is broken and the price has finally started making lower highs and lower lows. So yes, expect something happening tomorrow, maybe towards 153.58 and maybe even lower. New Zealand CAD, because I said that New Zealand dollar is strong, so it was able to break this high, although it has failed to close higher, and there is still 6 hours and 48 minutes pending for this candle to close. A close higher will open up the way for 0.8346. Right now it doesn't look like, but yes, a little pullback to the downside, and maybe then it can push towards 0.8346 in the coming time. Bitcoin, we are expecting lower prices day by day here, at least lower than 56,564. But where is the next level? It is 50,578. Will that come? We are not sure yet, but yes, I'm expecting it to be reached very soon. If this level of 59,638 again starts giving support, then the price may be in between these lines only for a long time. What is happening in the Brent? Well, Brent found support yesterday, but not any much support today. The price failed to go and even test the 84.61. I'm expecting that tomorrow, if the price tests 84.61, that may be your selling opportunity, because this is the confluence of resistances. Tomorrow or day after, if you get the price here, you will want to sell this market with the target of recent lows, that is 81.11 on your mind, and thereafter if it trades below that, then 76.66 may also be exposed in this market. Gold, no trade as of now. The price is just consolidating, although now it seems like the price is trying to make higher highs and higher lows. But I think this falling channel is very critical, and we do not want to open any position till the time the price is trading between these channel lines. Yeah, something interesting that is happening over here is in the Nikkei. It broke higher, then is trying to find support at these broken channels resistance area. And if you consider this high, then you will see that it actually tested that area and is trying to find support here. Now tomorrow, if there is a continuation, 39,956 will be possible in this market. On the downside, we have support at 36,693. Euro JPY very close to the 50%, but has failed to test that today. Tomorrow maybe 50% or maybe 62%, that is 168.72. If that is tested, we can look for selling opportunities in this market. Right now, no. Green candle sell off, no. So yes, where is the support now? 166.94. Where is the resistance? 168.72. GBP AUD, I am bearish on this one. For the last 2 days it went higher. Today it is trying to go lower. This is our previous level. Where okay, so it comes from P. This is the level that I'm looking at. 1.8903 is what I'm looking at right now for today. I'm expecting that price to be seen today, and if the price trades below this, then it will definitely be exposed 1.8590 in this market. So let's see how the things unfold. The resistance being 1.9116. If the price breaks below this low of day before yesterday and goes to 1.8903, then this high will be your resistance, that is 1.9039. CHF JPY, like I said, that we are bearish on this one, and price has gone very close to the 62% of this fall. So expect a sell off tomorrow in the CHF JPY. The resistance being 175.02, this is a horizontal level of resistance, and the support being 167.36. There's a long range to be traded in the CHF JPY, and I am expecting down move in the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen in the longer term now. What about the Australian dollar against the New Zealand? Well, it broke lower, found resistance here. Now the next level that I am expecting is 1.09317. If it fails to find support there also, then the next level will be 1.0857. Now I'm expecting it to find support here. Why? Because it has found support here, resistance here. After breakout, it never came back to test this level. So it is coming back to test this level. If it tests and finds support here, there may be higher objectives in play on the Australian dollar against the New Zealand. All the way I think up to 1.1069, there is no resistance thereafter. That's all guys from my side. I'm expecting some questions from the viewers. If you have any, please, this is the time for you to ask your questions. All right, as there are no questions coming up, so I would like to wrap up the session by just saying, like I say it every day, that if you are new here, please find some time to look for into the previous webinars, where you will realize that although nobody is watching these webinars, but it has very crucial information so as to what I should be looking tomorrow and maybe day after for the price to reach for, or maybe for the price to reverse from. So these levels, if you already have on your charts, you can plan your trades accordingly, and then when you have confidence on these levels and how to draw these levels, if you spend some time with me, you will definitely know how to draw them by yourself, and then you can be independent trader by yourself. Risk to reward ratios point of view, just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of the risk that you're going to take. In this case, you can adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your entire equity. With this note, I shall end this live stream also, and please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars if you are new here. You can also suggest these videos and webinars to your friends who think that they need to learn the support and resistance levels. Thank you very much for once again for your time, and have a good day. Bye bye till tomorrow 1700 GMT when we stream again.